Hello and welcome to this new video on how to save photos from Dropbox to gallery. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on it. Now type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard. And then the search results will be shown to you. Just click on the first search result that says Dropbox official site. Just click on it and Dropbox interface will be shown to you. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Dropbox text and icon, so just click on it and you will be able to access the home page. Now you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be list of things and they are all files, photos, shared and many more. You just have to click on the all files or the photos if you want to save the photos, and you just have to search for the photo or the file that you want to save and hover around that particular photos or file and just click on it, and this is the interface that is shown to you. Now you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be an download button, so you just have to click on the download button and the download procedure will begin, and you will be able to download that particular photo or file from Dropbox to your gallery. So this is how to easily save photos from Dropbox to gallery. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.